Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you how to set up MT5 multiple accounts on your iOS device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from our website and follow the installation instructions. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once MT5 is open, you'll see the main interface. To log into multiple accounts, go to the setting at the bottom right corner of your mobile device. After that, tap on your existing account. It will navigate to the Accounts area, where you can see that you are already logged into an account. To add multiple accounts, tap the plus button. Now find the broker. Search for IS6 and tap on IS6 Technologies Limited. Choose the server, either live or demo, based on your account type and trading preferences. To log in, enter the login ID in the login field and your password in the password field. Then, tap the Sign In button. You are now logged into multiple accounts on MT5 and ready to start trading. Congratulations! You have successfully set up multiple accounts on MT5 on your iOS device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!